What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here today we are at the Ford dealership. Today is the day, picking up the S650. It got here I think yesterday afternoon. They rushed it through the shop to PDI it, get it ready for delivery. I think they still have the wrap on it, so we can go take that off, because Jason, my boy, told us he wanted me to take it off, me and my dad to take off the wrap ourselves. Then we're gonna do like a quick little wash, follow along, enjoy the video. Let's go ahead and jump into this. We've been waiting since March for this car, and I'm so happy the day's finally here. Content's about to get crazy, y'all. All right, Kevin.
I see it.
We're walking up on it now.
Wow, that looks great.
What you think?
That is beautiful.
It looks incredible. Needs some low though. It's a little
lower.
It's a little tall, but yo,
wow.
This thing looks insane.
I like those wheels.
Yo, here we go. This thing looks insane. Holy shit.
Still the delivery case.
Yeah. That is crazy. Performance package. The black spoiler. Holy shit. Yo.
The sun is. You do get it at the right angle. That flake.
I can see a bunch of flake right here.
Flake jumps. Once this thing gets cleaned up.
That looks insane.
Emerson should be in there.
I like the wheels a lot. With the red calipers.
Those wheels
Got the hood open, got the hood struts.
Chargers are bringing.
Look at the functional hood scoop.
You know, so it
Gen 4 Coyote with the dual intake. Nice big whip will go on there.
I don't know. We'll have to see. Not anytime soon.
You got the performance. I wish the performance package splitter was like this the whole way around instead of that one little area. But it looks fire. They have a new battery section. This is locked in place now, and you have a jump pack right here, so you can hit the spot there and then the ground right there. It's clean on the window. You have to see the different generations of cars. There, I'm the first one to do it.
Say you can let Joel have the other. Oh, you know what?
I beat you to it.
Great. No, it's something with,
I beat you to it.
What do you do? Oh, the front plate thing.
Yeah, there's still the one on the hood.
You're done now.
Save the big one for you.
Okay.
good angle of it.
Oh,
Give it a yank. There you go. Oh, thanks.
there you go. You won the prize.
Appreciate it. Oh, it's perfectly fit.
Okay, good.
Sounds super good. Best spec y'all have had.
I was gonna say it's by far the best spec we've had.
For stock.
I don't even think it's in like sport or drag. I think it's
Oh, that's normal mode.
quiet.
All right, guys. They finished detailing the car. The car is here in the front of the dealership, waiting for the Facebook photo for the dealership. If you're looking for a new Ford, any car in general, come to Richmond Ford, see my boy Jason, talk to the guys here. They will get you right. This car is absolutely incredible, guys. I cannot wait to continue with the content and bring y'all out some great stuff. Look at how the yellow is shining now that it's been cleaned. Look at the metallic flake in here. This color is insane. Obviously got the Night Pony package, so you get the blacked out headlight housings, the black wheels. We opted for the red Brembos, so the red Brembos look sick. Comes with the black mirrors, black painted mirrors, the black roof, the spoiler.
Have to see if we can.
That might be kind of hard to capture in this lighting. Might have to get it in a better light.
Yeah.
And you get the black letter. Yeah. You get the quad exhaust, the active exhaust.
Well, they said it depends on what package inside.
We got Magna Ride back in there somewhere. Yeah, it's just like my car, the way the mirrors are. Are you excited?
Now I am. To
Now
keep
that-
you away from it.
Oh, yeah. now that's actually here. Everything, all the body lines look really good. No weird gaps or anything. You got your lights in the grille. And then you get the black badges along with the Night Pony package. I wish the performance package spoiler was longer, a little bit sticks out a bit more, but that's an easy replacement right there. What do you think, Kevin?
I love it. The color looks 10 times better in person than it does in photos. It's very bright. It's not that like kind of dark yellow you see on camera. I love that it already has a black mirrors. Don't have to wrap anything.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Only thing you could wrap is you could wrap the deck lid. You could wrap this piece black, but
cool.
it actually kind of looks good all yellow with the way it looks.
Yellow, but I think it would match Minion pretty well.
Yeah.
So do we have a name? Is it Minion 2.0? Is there a different?
For me, but as we hop into the interior, wow. Yo, whoever drove this is short to move it up here. But you got the premium screens all the way around. You got the new MT82. You got all your buttons here. With the wireless charging pad, we will have a.
Is massive.
Yeah, it's actually not bad though when you're actually sitting in it. Have you ever sat in one?
No.
Here.
Let's see.
So you can see how it is. Let's see how Kevin looks.
Oh yeah.
You can see pretty good over the screens.
Yeah, it's not. I heard people saying like you can't see anything. I mean, I can see just fine.
Yeah. I like the perforated leather on the steering wheel.
Yeah, the wheel is really nice. I mean, I want real carbon, but this isn't bad. I don't hate it.
I know, you get it all the way around.
Yeah.
It's dry carbon, okay?
Yeah, it's
All right, let's see if the phone fits in the wireless charging pad. It does. And then mine also fits in there perfectly for that wireless CarPlay that we're gonna have.
Start charging yours?
We're about to take a photo for the Rich Before Facebook page. Got the confetti cannon to shoot out. Jason and I are about to shoot off some confetti. Let's see how this goes. I'll get on the other side of my dad, so it really just pops him in the face.
I'll be like,
That's disgusting. All right, go to track. They want to put gas in the car now.
Start drive. You want to get gas in the car on the dealer lot.
LED reversal from the factory. Let's go.
see it.
This one's just as excited about.
Dad's driving. He's already riding out gears. I got Kevin taking rollers. How you liking it so far? Smooth?
so far it's smooth. A little clutch is kind of springy, but kind of have to get used to that a little bit. But other than that, it rides really good.
Yeah, the interior is super nice and good material. Super soft with the 401A on the premium. Everything's just super nice. Got the Bang & Olufsen sound system in it, so you know it's gonna be bumping. And it sounds super good stock. And you got wireless charging that actually fits phones. But we'll get into a more in-depth review in the next couple videos. Right now we're just taking it in, enjoying it, and just seeing how it drives.
Like I said, I'm used to my Mustang pickup, so it's just like, okay, come on.
This guy said he's gonna gap you. You're slow.
He's right. He's right.
Look at them tires. Got the skinnies in the front. Yo, you just left the dealership. What are you doing?
Gotta see what it can do.
300 mile break-in or 500 mile break-in, not 330.
Oh, you mean 31 mile?
Yeah, 31 miles already ripping on it. Going to 7,800.
I gotta get a feel for what it does.
I didn't feel that bad.
Like I
I say you can't shift, but if you shift like me, you might break something again.
No breaking nothing.
Because this is a fresh MT82, it shouldn't break.
It's a fresh, revamped MT82.
Yeah. It's got stronger shift forks. Might have to buy one of these for my car. We're back at the house. We got the car here. You got one banana with another. I guess the color shades do look pretty similar.
Minion 1, Minion 2.
This one's just extremely dirty.
Minion 2.
I don't know, this one looks a little bit more yellowy
That's what I'm putting on here.
than mine.
I like it.
They actually, I guess in certain lights, because like the back of my car looks close to this, but the front looks like a neon-y
Yours
color.
has a little more of that neon, like kind of like greenish hue.
Yeah. But the shot right here, yo.
Yeah.
Minus dirtiness and bumper gap.
It's like all the shit you wanted to do.
I know,
and
all-
it's all factory now.
It's like, yeah.
I'm showing Danny and Sagar the
painted,
car.
right?
Yeah, everything,
painted roof.
everything's painted. The mirrors, the roof, the wheels are satin. I wish they were gloss,
Oh,
Yo, it's like mine.
but
It's gonna be a pain in the ass.
I know. I told Dad.
Mine
I
are
was like,
brown.
cleaning these are gonna be a pain, but
Unless you get them ceramic coated.
It's like all painted.
they did good with the brakes. I like the red.
Huge. They look like they barely fit.
I know. I don't know. Oh yeah, they do fit. They fit pretty good. The colors are a lot darker than mine.
Also, I feel like yours. Yeah, yours. It's weird looking at yours now.
Yeah, like mine has like a greenish, like,
Yours looks like pastel yellow now.
Yeah.
Compared to that.
or this is like yellow. I like the
What do
new
they call this yellow?
yellow splash, metallic. See, look at the metallic. It's like super hard. It's kind of hard to see now,
He's gonna get
but
it clear, bro.
he was thinking about it.
Papa Joel. Congratulations, sir. It does need spacers.
I know he's getting spacers, X pipe, and
Plug in existence on this one?
yeah. Yeah,
We're about to, like,
the spoiler's painted too, unlike so
These are a lot
it's
smaller than
really-
they were gonna be.
I know. They actually look. They don't look bad. I just wish. I was just telling him earlier.
I wish they offer like a smoke.
I wish the diffuser was smaller.
What do you mean smaller?
Like
Look how big
it was. It came down to like here instead of half the back of the car.
It looks good.
Well, just
I like it.
Huh?
Imagine a carbon aftermarket carbon when they make it's your bumper.
Yeah.
I think I'd like it more gloss black than carbon.
Well, it makes sense. 'cause of
Yeah.
that.
I don't
It's-
know why, but I feel like carbon and yellow cars don't go together.
Stock.
Gloss black goes really well with this color.
It sounds really, really good stock.
You have valves, right?
Yeah.
Oh wait, this has that?
Oh
I
yeah.
thought these comes with the buttons.
Only for non-performance package cars.
Factory. That's open.
You don't really tell the difference till you rev it. But like,
Let it warm up.
then go down. Lift.
Oh my god, it has a factory.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. Got the carbon covered.
Wow, dude, this is huge.
Got the dual nostrils. I will say the hood scoop is straight off your car.
Hey Joel, let's go for
Oh,
it.
SS.
They put lights in here in the grills.
Yeah, I remember that. Bro, I'm so
Showing the gauges and all the designs. Hit the track mode so I can. Oh, that is a normal. So, Sagar's inspecting the engine. Danny's inspecting the brakes and the rest of the car. I think this car is the perfect car. Now, if I was spending dark horse money, I'm not gonna lie, I'm buying one of those instead. I would much rather have one of these over a dark horse, I feel like. On the track purposes and just how awesome these cars are, I would absolutely love to have one of these. Danny just put the C8 taillights in his car not too long ago as well. They look crazy. He's got Borlow on it. He wanted to switch to Corsa, but I think he's just gonna rock with what he's got. But yeah, looking at the two cars, you'll probably hear me say this in a bunch of different videos. The shade of yellow between that color is so much darker than mine. It almost makes mine look like have like a greenish tint. But mine's also incredibly dirty. That's also layered over the color, so that's probably why. But this color all around is a lot darker. Under the hood, it looks kind of similar. that's gonna wrap up today's delivery video. Appreciate all of y'all for coming around so much. Thank y'all for being on the channel, watching all the videos, and just interacting. New car to make content with. Going to make some cool content in the future. So now we got Minion over here, still broken. We have to dive into that soon and figure out if we're gonna put another trans in it or what I'm gonna do. Might send it back, get it rebuilt, or I might just say screw it and buy another stock MT82, throw it in, just leave it as that, and just rock on. I'm waiting to hear back from Vengeance if that's a safe way to go or if I need to send it back to get rebuilt. So we'll see about that. We've actually never filmed a video on that car, so maybe eventually I'll have to do something with that. Considering that we walk over here and it's got the glass roof on it, which is a very rare option for these cars. But the V6 is now my daily driver until this thing is back up and running. This car is 8 years old, 9 years old, 2015. Then got the 2024 right here. Performance package, all the options you can get, really cool. So let me take a step back. That looks so sick right there. But yeah, then we got Electra and Nightwing in the garage. One of those is gonna have to get kicked out for this. Electra might hit the street and let this thing roll in. But appreciate y'all stopping by and checking out the video. It means so much to me. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you want to see some S650 content, because it's coming in strong. But we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. See y'all later. Bye bye everybody.